Needles. It's melting.
Yeah.
I've never seen that tool before.
Yeah. So it's called a plastic welder.
That makes sense because it welds plastic.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that because I broke the.
Does Daddy have that tool?
I don't think he does.
Yes, he does.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
No, he doesn't have this.
Yes, he does.
Okay, Jojo.
Get up close.
Turn it around. Make it easier to see. Right there.
You can't touch it until it's like.
It's a lot easier than I was expecting it to be.
I mean, it's plastic, so of course it's gonna melt it easily.
Yeah, so.
Wait, if you touch those gold things, wouldn't that be hot?
I don't know. That's why I'm not touching them. Oops.
Where'd it go?
I don't know. That's right. It came with a bunch. I like this stuff because now I can start welding all this other stuff.
My pop-pop's a welder.
Yeah. I might learn that sometime down the road.
Yeah.
Oh! It's smoking!
Yeah, because it's
That's what I'm
hot.
supposed to.
What should I do?
You can smell it.
Nothing, it's okay, Jojo.
It's smelling. It's
Yeah, I gotta wait for like burning.
Yeah.
Stop, Jojo. Jojo, stop.
it's smoking.
You wanna go to a military surplus store?
When? Sure. Which one? When that?
There's one in Quakertown.
What does it say?
What is what's
What's the name of it?
I'm gonna tie you in.
Surplus?
Blue surface.
Blue surplus.
Blue surf clubs.
Platoon Army.
Platoon
Surplus and
Army.
Survival. In East Strasburg.
Okay, we go to either.
I'm a cameraman.
If we go there, then I want ammunition
For what?
for my guns.
You shoot?
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go to the
Yeah, I
store.
got
They have more.
bow and arrow.
You have a bow and arrow?
Yeah.
It's not perfect, but.
It don't even look like the light's on, but it is. Don't get in the way, Jojo.
What?
Don't get in the way.
It'll burn you.
It's not the camera.
What?
It's not the camera.
It's gonna wet the camera.
Never mind.
Stain.
There's one in Hamburg too.
I feel like keep switching in and out of frame.
It smells smoke. It smells like.
Oh no, touch it smell like smoke.
It's burnt rubber.
Don't, man, burnt rubber don't even smell that
Yeah,
bad.
you can stop recording.
61. 61. It's $61.